Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are keeping well today. So आज हम नायका फैशन हॉल करेंगे and it is my first time. Also, I have studied fashion designing and guys, how can you even expect me to stay away from fashion and clothes? जैसे कि हम सब ने बाहर जाना अब शुरू ही कर दिया है, दैट इज द रीजन आई हैव केप्ट पार्टी वेयर एज अ थीम. ऑल्सो आई हैव केप्ट ड्रेसेस एंड टॉप्स दैट टू ऑफ प्रीमियम क्वालिटी. ये हॉल थोड़ा सा लंबा हो सकता है तो आप अपने लिए थोड़े से स्नैक्स ला सकते हैं. गेट योरसेल्फ सम स्नैक्स प्लीज. ऑल्सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस हॉल मुझे आपको एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात बतानी है अबाउट नायका प्लेटफॉर्म, दैट इट इज़ अ वेरी बिग प्लेटफॉर्म. यहाँ पर बहुत बड़े डिज़ाइनर्स अपनी कलेक्शन एग्जिबिट करते हैं, शो करते हैं, एंड द कलेक्शन मे वेरी फ्रॉम इंडियन टू वेस्टर्न एंड विद डिफरेंट रेंजेस. इफ यू वांट टू download this app, you can get the link from my description. I have added the link in my description, alright. Also, if it's your first time, then you may also get the discounts on your first orders. So let's get started with the haul. So this is our first dress. Look at this beautiful dress. I hope you must be liking this too. So basically this dress I will call it rusty satin dress. Why I've called it rusty satin dress? Because इसका जो color है, it is of rust, okay. And secondly, the fabric which is being used in this dress is satin fabric, and it is very soft in nature. Also, you can see this dress that it is quite body hugging from the top. What is the reason why it is body hugging from top? Because of the corset. ये जो corset होता है, it is quite tight from the top and it is loose. This dress is quite loose from the bottom. Reason being, there are so many gathers here. So generally, where we can wear such dresses? We can wear such dresses in the day out. Yes, in the day outing we can use such dresses. Also in the parties. Also, after wearing this dress, you will definitely get a feminine look. Why? Because of its body hugging. So it is a corset dress, right? And corsets are in trend nowadays. What is the reason why it is in trend? Because nowadays everybody loves to show off their bodies, and this dress will definitely enhance your feminine look. And I can guarantee that you will fall in love with this dress after wearing, because I love this too. Now, directly discuss about its range, size, and brand. So size, my size is small, right? And you can order it in any size of according to your choice, right? Also, the brand is, let me check first, M-Blaze, right? And this is the only color option which I have seen on their website. So yeah, its range is, which is the most important part, since in today's haul I'm giving you the options of premium ones. So जिसका cost है, that is 8,400 rupees. Let's try this beautiful dress now. See how it is going to look on me. And it looks like this. Now let's go on to the next dress. So next, that is the second dress, is a metallic one shoulder jumpsuit dress. Why I've called it metallic? Reason being, look at its beautiful color. Also, it is one of my favorite dresses. Reason being, look at its cowls, gathers, and the way the designing is being done. Why? You can see all the things together are going so well in this dress. When I will show you, you will definitely catch me. So I must say that this is my favorite dress. Reason being, it is firstly one shoulder dress. Also, it gives you somewhat feeling of power, and you can see that beautiful designing of extra fabric somewhere, and the tight pleated texture on the waist part, which gives you a beautiful look. And again, it is a body hugging dress. Since the fabric is satin, so again, as I told you before, it is in trend. Satin fabric is in trend, and this color is all-time favorite. You can wear such dresses in the parties. Also, you can not only in the parties, but also you can wear such dresses in some functions. So you can say that it is kind of Indo-Western dresses. I really love it. Personally, this is my favorite one. Reason being, it gives you the power feeling. Okay guys, now let's get into the details. So the brand is Attic Salt, and it's again the size small because my size is small, and the cost is 3175 bucks, 3175. Again, I will say that it is just worth shopping such dresses. See the beautiful look of this dress. I mean, look at the color, styling, designing, everything. Everything is just beautiful. So, till now we have covered two dresses, that too the satin ones. Now let's go on to the top. Look at this beautiful hot color top. Look at the ruffles. Ruffles are so beautiful. I would definitely love to wear it. The opening of this beautiful top is from the back. As you can see that there is a zip. Now, what all you can see on this top is ruffles and somewhat gathers from the side. This beautiful metallic top has padding in it, and it can be worn with black jeggings, and they will surely complement each other. Also, it is quite giving a look of a corset. So again, it is a body hugging top, and it will definitely give you a beautiful look, and it can be worn in the night parties. Now let's go into the details. Size, again, it is small, as I have ordered it as per my size, and range is 2690 bucks, and the brand is again Attic Salt. You can find all the three brands on the Nykaa Fashion, and this is the look of this beautiful metallic top. Hope you loved my video, and please share your suggestions, if any, in the comment section below. Also, keep spreading happiness around. Stay safe. Take care.